All right, got something a little bit special for you guys today. We got a build. That we're going to approach that we're going to do today, and that build is actually of the desk that's behind me. We're going to talk about the IKEA Galant Desk, and it was a situation that pretty much had to happen. As you guys know, I did a speed build previously. It was a smaller black desk, and you see that desk now in several videos previously done, where you see that black countertop. Yeah, that's that short desk that I built so long ago. It was too small. I had to end up going right back to my folding table from Walmart as my computer desk, and yeah, that kind of sucked. It was low. I had to adjust my seat lower in order to sit at that desk as I'm editing, and which wasn't good for my back. My back already had problems and stuff like that. So now today we're going to build the IKEA Galant Desk, and hopefully this should solve a lot of those problems, and I'm pretty sure it will. So let's get to the build. As you can see here, I'm showing you some of the parts that go on the desk. There's the screw that goes into the leg that helps attach it to the table, and also showing that the leg is actually not too bad quality. It can flex at the bottom. You can also adjust the height by twisting the leg around here. So I twisted around to show you how it works, and it actually took me a while to figure out that you actually need to pull on the leg in order for that to work. Okay, here's where I was talking about the instructions. You see on the picture where they have one image that says that they do not recommend putting the T-legs the way that they've been showing it in all the pictures. And then on the other side, they say that it is a, that you need to put them straight together. That's how they want you to put it. At least that's how the pictures are showing it to me. But it's kind of confusing. So do I do it this way or do I not do it this way? You know what? I'm just gonna do it the way that I prefer it, and the hell with them. Now that the desk is finally built, I put a cup on it, and the reason I have a cup on it is just so I can see if the desk is level or not. So basic concept, if the cup rolls either way, I know that the desk is not completely level. However, the cup is staying steady, so hey, we're good. Now you've seen the build is finally complete, and as you can tell from it being behind me, it's pretty high off the ground, and it's much better for me. It's comfortable. I enjoy working on it, and it's a really a pleasure to work with this desk. I thought at first it was going to be cheaply built, things are going to be broken, parts are going to be missing, the usual case when you're doing these kind of things, but nope, there were no problems at all. Let's go ahead and show the screenshot straight from the IKEA website. As you can see, the desk is only about $100. If you include taxes, it's about $130 or whatever it is. It comes flat packed. Straight from the IKEA store. I actually went to our local IKEA here in Texas, in Houston, and grabbed it and all that stuff. And it only took me about an hour to put together. So, that includes the time I spent trying to adjust the legs to get them where I need it to be, because the desk can be from 24 to 35 inches off the ground. So pretty high up, actually, when you think about it. And that's really what I needed. Not only was it long in depth, somewhere around 63, 68 inches long, it's also has a pretty width too as well. So yeah, so it was perfect to fit all my 3 monitors, which I need in my daily work here on the in the office, and it was perfect to also fit all my little figurines and just the space for me, and I just needed that space. So I hope you guys enjoyed the speed build. Hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. You have a good one. I'll see you. Bye.